Let's create a folder. We put it on XAMPP HTDOCS. Here we make the folder. We name it folder Bootstrap 2. Next, we open the folder. This is by using Visual Studio Code. Click File. Open folder. Select folder. Create a file. We name it index.addl. Press the exclamation mark on the keyboard. Then type in here company profile. Next, we open Bootstrap website. Bootstrap website. In this part, the second point, this one we copy. Move it, put it here. Next, for JavaScript, we copy. Place here. Next, we type in the Bootstrap website. We take this one. Just copy this one. Move it here. Then don't forget to save. Press Ctrl+S. Let's see here. First, activate XAMPP. Type localhost. Then the name folder that we have created previously, Bootstrap 2. Well, the result is like this. The title is this company profile. It's the existence of in this title. We'll modify it slightly. Navbar so that cooler. This one, yes, we modified. Exactly here. We just delete this. We add. This script is. Save by pressing Ctrl+S. We refresh. The result is like this.